In other news, mangrove plantations are a must for seaside communities in the country. They do not only serve as natural sanctuaries for marine life, but also help shield human lives from Mother Nature's fury, particularly from storm surges. Benj Bondok reports.
Over 6 million people, thousands of species of flora and fauna, 7 continents, 1 planet. Out of the 9 planets of the solar system, the Earth is the only inhabitable one because of its elements and characteristics which are essential to sustain life. One of these elements is water, which covers over 70% of the world. As the saying goes, one can survive foodless but not waterless. But when nature releases its fury through water power, tragedy will definitely come next. This is one of the adverse effects of climate change, which the government continues to address through disaster preparedness. But aside from these, it is also important to come up with natural methods as a way of saving Mother Nature and the people as well. An effective example of such actions is the planting of mangroves. Mangroves are endemic in tropical countries like the Philippines. Known as the rainforest of the seas, mangrove plantations act as shields of coastal communities against devastating effects of inclement weather. As an example, plants became the savior of the town of MacArthur in Leyte from the clutches of storm surges brought about by Typhoon Yolanda's wrath. Furthermore, mangroves hold the soil tight, which prevents erosion. These also serve as sanctuaries which help in the conservation of marine life. For instance, the town of Macalelon in Quezon sees the need for the creation of protected areas of mangroves, which is isolated from the fishing waters of the locality.
Sa pagpupunan po ng pangunguna ng ating dating Congressman Danny Suarez, ay malaki po ang kanyang ibinigay na responsibilidad upang ang pataniman ng bakawan dito po sa buong lalawigan ng Quezon ay maisagawa ng mga mamamayan. Hindi naman po dito sa bayan ng Macalelon, kundi sa iba pa pong bayan.
However, it is alarming to know the mass deterioration of mangroves in the country. In response, authorities continue to urge communities to plant more mangroves. This is for the protection and preservation of the balance of nature. True enough, there is an immediate need to conserve and nurture the earth, our own home, not just for our own good, but more importantly, for the welfare of tomorrow's generation. For the People's Television, Benj Bondok.